Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Bumpboxx Flare 8 ID. Now you can pick this one up from Bumpboxx. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $500. I repeat, $500. Now I know what some of y'all getting ready to say. Didn't you already review the original Bumpboxx Flare 8? And isn't that one $400? And the answer is yes and yes. Now, I already did a video for the Flare 8. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link for that up in the description. And the price is $400. But there's one difference between the Flare 8 and the Flare 8 ID: customization. Okay, you're spending an extra $100 to fully customize the speaker. And this is why I say Bumpboxx changed the game with this one. This is going to be the perfect holiday season gift. You can fully customize this speaker and put whatever picture or logo you want on the front. Now think about that. You going tailgating, you can get your favorite teams. I'd give one to your significant other with your favorite Valentine's Day picture on it. You got a business or a company or a brand, put your logo on it. This is going to be perfect for your man cave, for your princess palace. This is sick. All right, this is totally sick. First, let me show you how you customize the speaker. So you've seen the video, simple and straightforward. Now there's one more thing I want to mention. All custom Flare 8 IDs take approximately 72 business hours for production. Not 4 to 6 weeks, 72 business hours. So this is perfect for the holiday season and perfect to give as a gift. You ain't got to wait 2 months to get it. All right, so let's go through all of the specs. You got Bluetooth connectivity, digital stereo amp, true wireless stereo pairing, so you can sync 2 of these up together wirelessly. You got a rechargeable battery that's going to give you 12 hours worth of playtime. You got the new LED view display, a USB charging port, an SD and USB MP3 player. You get 5 EQ settings. You got a 1/4-inch microphone input and wireless mic included, a 1/4-inch guitar input, low battery indicator, and audio in or out for linking other units. All right, so this one right here is going to run you $500. Let's unbox it and see what it is. Now, on a side note, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Before I show you the one that I got custom made, let me show you some other ones that they already have on the website. You got the Notorious B.I.G. version. All right, on the front, you got the B.I.G. picture. It was all a dream. The Notorious B.I.G. on the top, all white and red theme. And on the back, all right, you got Biggie, and you got the full album. This one is pretty dope. Next up, we got another Notorious B.I.G., but this one is the black and red theme. Same baby photo. Ready to Die, that's the name of the album. If you look closely, it says Brooklyn. All right, I'm from Brooklyn. B.I.G. is one of my favorite artists. The Notorious B.I.G. on the top. On the back, some more artwork. Red and black theme, but like I said, I'm from Brooklyn, so I had to represent. This one is pretty sick. Now let me show you one more. All right, so last up, we got the Snoop Dogg version. Now this has a black trim with the original Doggy Style album artwork on it. So on one side, you got Snoop, Doggy Dogg. And if you look closely on the back, like I said, this is the original album artwork. All right, so this one is pretty dope. A lot of little hidden gems on this one. On the top, nothing but the dog in me. Why must I chase the cat? Why must I feel like that? You know, classic lyrics, you know? But this one is sick. Now, let me show you the one that I got custom made. All right, so for my personal one, I wanted something to match my car. So when I go to the car meets, I can pull it out, sit next to the car, and play some music. So for the back, I wanted a clean red, and I wanted a black and white trim. Now let me show you what you get inside. Get a little pouch. This is gonna be your plug, your auxiliary cable, the rest of your plug. Okay, you get a carrying strap. See how this looks. Okay, Bumpboxx carrying strap. Bumpboxx logo on it. And of course, you got a remote control. Got your usual books and shit. Bumpboxx troll stickers. And a wireless mic. Now let me show you the front of the speaker. Let me get this stuff out the way. Y'all ready? This is the custom Bumpboxx Flare 8 ID Flossy Carter / White Shoes edition. Here we go. Bang! Look at that. This is so sick. Now when you see me parked at the car meet, I'm gonna pull this out of my trunk, pull out my little foldable chair, sit down, pull out the grill, start making a few hot dogs, and when people walk by, you can see my YouTube channel, my logo, and my favorite cat, White Shoes. How dope is this? All right, $500. You're getting a Flare 8, a Flare 8 speaker with whatever logo you want on the front. Now, as soon as Amaya's seen this one, she wants one for her dorm room, so I'm gonna make one with me and her's favorite picture on it, so she can have her college dorm room. This is sick. This is epic. Let's see on one side. Now here's all your controls. Like I said, I'm not gonna turn this into a full review. You already seen that. On the back. Here's the other side. Here's the top. Big, nice carrying handle. All your Bumpboxx lights. I will turn it on and play some music. Okay. The logo on the front lights up. The B logo. Woo! That's kind of loud, kind of loud. All right, let me grab a phone. We'll pair this up and I'll do a little sound test. All right, so here we go. Now, this is around 75% volume.
Yo, I got a question for you. How many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. And that's the thing about it. And I can't sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shot when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options. But what's the mathematics? Would you still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rapped average?
Max volume.
Except on my flaws and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbers. And never be someone who would backstab me. Never. Ready for that ride in the black caddy. My son wants son and tell him ask daddy. He'll be mad happy, but I I'm just trying to chill and twist the line. Catch stunts on my 745. Drop the crazy shorty queens. Just wanna see you and feel real. But if I post this little bitch on my close friends, you ask about it and I act like I got no sense. Spend on me, or would you spend for me? How deep is our love if that's what it takes for you to creep in the club? Shit beneath me, I still reach from above. The old me would've reached for the glove. I'm just playing, yeah, you know what I'm saying. But oh no, when it's over, I just hope that you stand. Because girl, it's easy to love me now. It'll leave you crazy, would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me?
Let's go! All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Bumpboxx Flare 8 ID a major go. Now, if you want to see a full in-depth review, I'll leave a link for that right now. But the speaker sounds great. It's very durable, excellent battery life, plenty of features, and it looks good, but most importantly, it's custom. So if you got your own business, your own brand, your own company, you need your logo on one of these. You go on tailgating, support your favorite team, support your favorite actor, singer, dancer, rapper, whatever you want to do. Support yourself. All right? Support your family members. Holiday season is right around the corner. This is the perfect gift. Fellas, you need one of these in your man cave. Ladies, in your princess palace. Anyway, Bumpboxx Flare 8 ID. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.